This is the elevator parking lot Ella Bergen Town Center in New Jersey. I'm uncultured. Does that lantern work? Oh, apparently it goes down. This will be interesting. Probably Thyssenkrupp, is it? I'm gonna assume it is anyway. A little bit of jolt there. I actually forgot to get my cab view. Basic model elevator. And it's a what though? Someone clearly did a bottle flip up there. This is probably Thyssenkrupp. Alright, listen to the motor. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. There's the indicator up there. Let it close. There it goes, and that's it. Let me get my thumbnail.